always harassing me, asking what I go be. All you tell them to stop, tell them wait till I grow up. If they check the schedule, I have 5 more years in this school. I like bat and ball from since I small. I tired, tell them that's all. What I plan to do, they ask in place. I put it cricket in my studies. And I going to score in English like Brian Lara. I going to score in Spanish like Brian Lara. In history and geography, I'm going for the century. When you see the test, that is me. Who go break the heart? I going to score in writing like Brian Lara. I going to score in reading like Brian Lara. I go do me homework daily, just like Lara tell me. I go give them plenty pressure like Brian Lara. They find that me mother bright, brother and sister alright. Somebody give them the tip, they know auntie win a scholarship. So they sure is either I come out doctor or lawyer. But I ain't ready for all they foresee. I doing things differently. I will study extra to secure the future, but I doing it like Lara. Yes, I going to score in English like Brian Lara. I going to score in Spanish like Brian Lara. In history and geography, I will always make a century. Put me in any class, you will see I bound to pass. I going to score in English like Brian Lara. I going to score in Spanish like Brian Lara. Watching Lara inspire me to take my schoolwork seriously. I plan to be great and prosper like Brian Lara. Next one ball out, oh, your father does sing calypso. So he would be surprised if it's the I done set me eyes. He's saying he agree because guys so have plenty money. I like the sport as anybody ought, but he give that a thought. I drop mathematics, the sport and school mix, I will hit all of them first. And I going to score in TD like Brian Lara. I going to score in PE like Brian Lara. In history and geography, I hit it for the boundary. Put me in any class, you will see I bound to pass. I going to score in TD like Brian Lara. I going to score in PE like Brian Lara. I go to me homework daily, just like Lara tell me. I go be the next boy wonder like Brian Lara. watch LARA bat. I can't play ball like that. So as sure as the trees, I would play for West Indies. But all you have no fear, I still have time to choose on the red. I'm getting ready to write GCE. Right now that's enough for me. So tell north and south I keep in my snout in school where they can't catch me. And I going to score in civics like Brian Lara. I going to score in physics like Brian Lara. In history and geography, I hit it for the boundary. When I put my head down, watch out, it's trouble in tongue. I going to score in writing like Brian Lara. I going to score in reading like Brian Lara. See me every period, I only moving up what I intend to please my teacher like Brian Lara. Thank you.
So we see we must not accept.
Richard MacIntosh, the 1994 Junior Calypso Monarch with his Brian Lara.